What's good guys, it's Rumzy here, and well, I'm back with the video you guys have all been asking for, the room tour. So this is my dream room and enjoy it. Before I roll the video, please subscribe because only 74% of you guys aren't subscribed, and that's insane, so you guys have to do that. As a quick insight, there's a room upgrade video coming soon because we have a bunch of stuff lined up to upgrade this whole room again, so stay tuned for that. When you enter my room, this is probably the first thing you see, so let's just start over there at the desk. Over here, the desk, this main one is the FlexiSpot rising desk, and it's a really good desk. It's made of solid wood, and well, it goes up and down. What can I say? It's a FlexiSpot desk. And on top of it, I have this 43-inch electric ultra-wide monitor, and I use this for editing and not gaming at all, but just editing and schoolwork because it has everything I want on each slide. What that basically means is I can multitask like crazy, and well, it's just insane for the price because I got it for £450. Then on the desk we have my keyboard. It's one of my favorite keyboards. It's the RK84, and I got this specifically because it's wireless. I've always wanted a wireless keyboard because look how good this looks when it's like there's no wires. It looks super clean. It just looks really good. You might be wondering, why is there an orange keycap there? Well, I actually kind of broke the keyboard slightly because the keycaps, I broke the keycaps when pulling them off and on my other keyboard. Moving on, we have this mouse. This is the MX mouse. It's one of my favorite mice. It does everything. I game with it and work with it. It's literally the best mouse for me right now. I see you guys eyeing this mousepad. This is the Archie Designs Mountain by Day mousepad, and he also has a Mountains by Night one. I might just show you that one right now. Continuing about the mousepad, I keep all my sponsored products and send out stuff up here, and it's filling up pretty fast. So yeah, this is a new drop. It drops literally a few days before this video comes out, so you can still pick this up probably if it's not sold out. So let me just put this one there and you can see what design this is. And well, there we go. This is the black version of the Mountains by Day, so you'd say Mountains by Night. And it's available on his store, I think right now, or it's probably sold out, I don't know. But at the time of recording, it's available. So go check this out on archiedesigns.com. Moving on from the desk mat, I'll keep this here, it looks pretty nice. So moving on, we have my Godox Lights, and these are insane. These are like these light panels over here and there. Godox send these out for like videos and stuff, and they're really good. I use them for every single TikTok I record and stuff like that. You can change like the brightness and color, but that's standard with every key light these days. This is one of my most favorite things. This is a phone mount. I put my phone here. It's pretty standard, and yeah, it's a phone mount. What can you say about it? Over here is one of the cheapest Android phones there are, and I use this particular phone for like stats and stuff and live updates because I have my normal phones being used for like Instagram text or something like that, so I can talk to other creators. This is another ring light I use, which is again used for recording videos and stuff. So this, that, and those are my main lights. And moving on to that table now. So this is one of the first ring lights I ever got. I got this when I had 10,000 followers on TikTok, and this one stayed with me through the OG days, and I still keep it around because it's good for lighting and background lighting. Below it is the beast that powers this whole setup. So this is my gaming laptop. It has an i5-8300H, GTX 1050 Ti, and 32GB of RAM plus some good storage, which I upgraded into it. I also cooled it by liquid metal, which a bunch of you saw. That video got like 1 million views. Next to it is another Godox product. This is my U-Mic, and it's basically a pretty good microphone. It can do everything by going up and down on the gain. Okay, I just dropped that. But yeah, it goes up and down on the gain, meaning you can annoy your friends when you're in game and they don't listen to you. Now let's talk about the chair. So this is the Ergonomic Chair, which I picked up from Amazon for £175. I personally love this chair. I switched from a gaming chair to this chair, and well, as you can see, it looks absolutely amazing. Also, the light bounces off the back really well for like pictures and like video like that. So the headrest is adjustable on it, which is pretty cool, and you can adjust the lumbar support back there. So yeah, it's a pretty standard desk. Goes up and down, goes back and forward. Like, that's all you really need to know. Now let's move into the back part of the room. So this is my main bed. It's a double bed, and that's a shelf. Well, yeah, it's a shelf. Pretty self-explanatory. So I keep my DJI gimbal up there, which I haven't used at all since I got it. I don't know why I bought it. I spent like £30 on eBay for it. And then I have my Edifier speaker, which I sent out, and this is connected to that one up there, which connects to my PC over there. And yeah, fun fact, these RGB strips right there, these are like $2. I picked them up from Wish, and they've been working perfectly ever since. I have it here, and back there. So this is my cupboard basically. I keep all my clothes in there and some wires and stuff. I'm not going to open it because it's a mess inside, but I love the fact that it's a mirror finish, meaning that like it reflects light and it makes the room look bigger overall. Oh yeah, I didn't mention this part. So this is my fan. I already talked about my actual ring light, and this cupboard keeps stuff like deodorants and like some snacks and stuff down there. I'm not going to show that. I have my skateboard and other stuff in there, but it's blocked by this cupboard right now. Okay, let's talk about the cable management real quick. So peep that cable management. I absolutely annihilated that. Like, all this whole desk up and down goes with one cable. The same thing over here. Behind my tripod is a cable raceway box, so everything's hidden. It's really nice. So yeah, I want you guys to tell me in the comments what I could add over there, possibly there, and there, because I need some new stuff to fill up this space, because let's be honest, it's looking kind of dull. I have some stuff coming, but it's for the setup upgrade series, so we're going to be basically updating this whole dream room, so stay tuned for that video guys, because you will not want to miss it. Anyway, I really hope you enjoyed this video, and remember, stay tuned for the upgrade videos coming very soon. Also, if you made it this far, comment get a PC down below just so I know. And if you have any questions or anything you recommend me getting for a new upgrade series, let me know, because I might also mention you. And well, please drop a subscribe because I'd really appreciate it. Peace.